So I think prototyping comes into play at a lot of different points of your product development process. So it could be early on, where if you're like building a product from scratch, you just want to concept test and put something in front of the users. It's really good to quickly prototype, right? Like it is faster to get feedback on a working prototype on your phone than having like static mocks that you put in front of them and then ask them to react. So at that early quick and dirty testing process is the first part. And also when you're communicating with engineers, if you want like a very nuanced interaction, it is not like it's very hard to visualize by just like talking it through. Oh, you should be, if you were to swipe this, then this thing will fall from this part of the screen. And I think if you just do that in a prototype and show it to the engineers, it will be faster for you to execute on it, and also will really like bring life to what you're thinking. So those are the places I would say like prototyping brings a lot of value. Getting in front of the users, or just like chatting with engineers, or even going in front of leads and your execs and presenting anything that's more like demoable rather than just having static mocks. There's Wizard of Oz. You could just hack a lot of things, and you could give the user a feel that the product is actually working. But honestly, at the background, you might just have a lot of dummy data. You might not have anything plugged into a database. It's just like giving users a feel and figuring out where you can cut corners so that the product gives the end-to-end journey to the user. But yeah, like I would say, don't invest like the amount of time that an engineer would invest. Then you might as well just build the thing rather than having to prototype, right? And also picking the tools the right way. So there's so many UX prototyping tools out there. So figure out what your strength is. Like if you can quickly like write code and that's what you're comfortable with, yeah, go try like Framer X. And Framer allows you to pretty much use JavaScript to run your prototype. But I think there are a lot of like other tools. The one I really like is Protopie, which allows you to not have to code, but it can give a feel of a lot of complex interactions that you can quickly put together and then get feedback from the user.